These are some of the accounts you should have. If you are a salary earner or a business person, all these accounts can help you either to save or to do businesses easily, and also for retirement purposes. All these accounts are very, very necessary for you to have it. If you have not opened any of these accounts, you can go ahead and open this account. It's very, very important for your business, even for investments. Number one of these accounts are business checking account. The business checking account is very, very necessary for those that are into businesses. It will help you to track your expenses, to track whatever businesses you are doing. And this business account is very, very good because it's a checking account. Check can be issued. You must not necessarily go to the bank to do your transactions. You can issue it out to your business partner to go to the bank to withdraw while you focus on your businesses. It is very, very necessary because it's not always all the time that you will have time to go to the bank as a business person. And also, if you open this business account, you are also able to know the people you are dealing with, the payment you make through your businesses, through different people you are dealing that business with. The second account you should also have is individual checking account. That is personal checking account. This personal checking account you will be able to issue checks to people. Also, you will not necessarily go to the bank. Personal checking account is a business. It is not business account. It's a personal dealings. Maybe with people, you want to pay someone, or you want to pay your family members, your wife, your children, or maybe you want to, and something to do with individual expenses, not business expenses. You can open this account, and it will help you not to go to the bank frequently. You can issue it out to people, to your family members, to your wife, to your children, if you really want them to go to the bank to make a withdrawal. This individual personal account will also help you to trace your expenses personally, individual expenses you make apart from your business expenses. That's why it is very, very good to open these different accounts, one for businesses and one for personal. Personal account will be for personal expenses that is dealing with your families, your individual expenses apart from businesses. And it's very, very good so that it will be more easier for you to audit, even if you want someone to audit for you. It will be very, very easy for them to audit, to help you audit those accounts because they're individual, this one for business or even for individuals. It is very, very necessary. The second account you should also have is high yield savings account. Instead of keeping lots of money in your personal account or your business account, you move it to high yield savings account. Why? Because it attracts high interest than all these personal account and business account. High yield savings account has higher interest. You can use piggyvest to open such account. There, maybe account the interest may maybe 1% or 2%. Why high yield savings account will be 5% or 6%, depending on the platform you are using. So it is better to move all those things instead of leaving something like 500,000, 1 million in personal account or business account when you know that it does not attract anything for you. It's better you leave it in high yield savings account where you don't touch it. You can leave it for years and to be yielding interest and also accumulating, or maybe the interest that is yielding will also accumulate. That's how business people think. You open this several account basically for different purposes. So if you want to your interest will be yielding, if you want higher interest, you open high service account because it will be yielding something and it will not withdraw it. You can leave it for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, then without touching it. Because you cannot be withdrawing on daily basis or weekly basis from an account you say, but will be yielding something for you. It will not attract anything from you. So why focusing on opening checking account, business checking account, and personal saving account? It's also good to open high yield savings account if you want to be saving money because if you leave those money in your business account or personal account, you keep spending it. So you move some of your money in high yield savings account, leave it there, it will be yielding something for you. Then the third account you should also have is IRA, it means individual retirement account. This individual retirement account is very, very necessary because you will retire, you may not be always active in businesses. You will retire someday. So while working or while doing your businesses, it's also good to open individual retirement account. This retirement account, you can be using it when you retire from active services. You can be dropping little money depending on how you generate income. You can be dropping money there on daily basis, on weekly basis, or even on quarterly basis or on yearly basis. These are basically for retirement. So that when you retire for active services, you don't need to start waiting for your children to help you with financial needs for your siblings, for your mother, or for your friends, because you have already set aside account for it, and you will not touch it until you retire. That is the benefit of it. If and not only that, you retire, you open that account, it will also be attracting interest for you. So that by the time you retire from IT services, you don't need to start begging anybody for money. You don't need to start begging anybody for help, because you have already strategized on how the retirement will be. That retirement savings account is very, very necessary, because that individual retirement account is different from that pension account that government open for you. Is different, far different from that. That one is necessary, but individual retirement account is when you open for yourself, whereby you can drop in something there, so that by the time you retire, before the government will start paying you the one they're supposed to pay you, you have something for yourself. You can be growing from there. At times, some people may have this account, by the time they retire, they have billions and billions of money in that account. They will retire well without depending on anybody for survival. So these accounts are very, very necessary if you really want to be financially independent, if you really want to do well in business. So these accounts are necessary. So if you are interested in opening this account, go to any bank of your choice and open this kind of account. And for high yield savings account, you can download Piggyvest and start opening that account right from the comfort of your home. All these things are necessary. And individual savings account, individual account, or individual retirement account are very, very necessary. You can go to the bank, open account for it. Any of the bank you see around you, you open account for it. It's very, very necessary. The fourth account you should also have is brokerage accounts. This account is very, very necessary, basically for investments. Yes, for investment. This brokerage account, you can use it for a lot of things. You can start investing in stocks, in commercial paper, in treasury bills, in a whole lot of things. You can start investing in these accounts, whereby you don't need to start going to a broker, to their offices, to start investing in shares, to start investing in treasury bills. With brokerage account, you can download it right from the Apple Store or Play Store, depending on the app, depending on the phone you are using. You download it there and register and start investing. Here you can monitor whatever that is going on in your life, that whatever that you are generating. You can monitor it freely without calling anybody, without depending on anybody. Just open this account and you see yourself investing in treasury bills, in stocks, and all the stocks. You can see it there with those brokerage account. It's very, very necessary to open such account. This brokerage account, you can do it. People are investing in this brokerage account. Is the account you used to have different investments like bonds, shares, treasury bills, commercial papers, and you do it in the comfort of your home without going to a broker to start investing. You can press it and open it with your smartphone. You can download it from your Play Store or Apple Store, like all these apps like Afriinvestor 2.0, like Piggyvest, Carrywise, Bamboo. These are all brokerage apps you can use to download and start investing in shares and treasury bills. It's very, very necessary to invest just for your future. A lot of people are making money through investment. And if you don't have accounts, you may not even attempt to start. So why waiting, why working and why doing your businesses? Try as much as you can to open all these accounts so that when you retire, you're able to retire well. Many people are making good money in shares, in stocks, in treasury bills. And treasury bills within 6 months to 1 year, you get your money. And within likewise bonds, likewise shares. So all these accounts are very necessary for you to have it, to be able to help you to start investing. Because investment can give you financial stability. If you don't invest, you will not live. So download all these apps and start investing. So this brokerage, open this brokerage account and see yourself making good money. You don't need to start going to any broker. You don't need to start going to any offices to open a brokerage account to start investing for your future. The fifth account you should also have, if you're a business person or if you're a working class person, is certificate of deposit. Certificate of deposit is just you fix this money and leave it for 12 to 18 months. And after that, you also liquidate your money and also get your interest. It is very, very necessary. And again, the interest may be higher, or the interest may be higher than high yield savings account, because and also it depends from the banks, the financial institution you are depositing with. It is very, very necessary. This money you just invest it, you just deposit it without touching it. So these are various accounts you should have if you are not cutting one. Try as much as you can to open series of this account. It will help you if you're a business person or you are a working class individual. It's very necessary because it will help you to diversify, to move your money strategically. So that when even if you are not working or you're no longer doing any business, if you are retired from active services, you don't start need to start begging people for financial help because you have already planned it well. And so that when you retire, you're able to retire well without depending on anybody for survival or for help, without going to anyone to help you financially. Because all these accounts will help you. As you're making the money, you move into those accounts. But if you don't open it, you will not be able to think to open or to move such amount. The main important thing is just for you to open it and move, and it starts little. Then as time goes on, you can start moving money or heavy money as you start making it. So, but just open it and leave it there. Let it open and you start thinking of how to start moving money. Then the sixth account you should also have as a business person or as a working class individual is money market account. Money market account is just like a fixed deposit, but the only thing that it comes with high yield interest and also with checking. You also issue check, but that one you don't issue check as you issue your individual or your personal checking account or business checking account. That one is once in a while. And any money you are moving to also attract interest. So that will also help you caution you on how to move money from those accounts. All these accounts are necessary for you to make money and for you to be financially stable if you really want to be that person you are looking out to be. So try as much as you can to open all these accounts that I just mentioned and you see yourself making money. Open personal checking account, business checking account, high yield savings account, IRA individual retirement account, certificate of deposit, money market account, and brokerage account. These are the six accounts you should have if you have not gotten one. Try as much as you can to open all this account to help you in the future. If you are watching this video till this point, please kindly click on the button and subscribe to my channel so that anytime I drop a video like this, you'll be forced to receive it. If this is the kind of content you love watching. Not only that, you can also share it for because a lot of people are making the money, they're just wasting it, using it to buy things that doesn't resonate financial stability. So because the main important thing is to open it. Once you open it, you will remember to be putting something in those accounts. But if you don't open, that's where the problem lies. So kindly share it. A lot of people need to hear this and need to start operating on this account that I've just mentioned. If you're a business person, if you're a class person, these are some of the accounts you should have as a person to help you to strategize very well, to help you to move your businesses to the better height, to also help you to also save while making your business, while making the money, also help you to plan ahead to save your money. Because if you don't open it, you do not remember to move such money to those accounts. So the problem lies on opening it. So keep on opening such account. It will help you to secure your financial future, the investment account, the higher savings account, the retirement account, the checking account, the business account. All these accounts are necessary for your financial stability. My name is Ngozi, your financial advisor, product manager, and a chartered risk manager. This channel is all about giving you business, financial, and investment tips that can better your life, that can better your financial life and move your financial instability to financial stability. And don't forget to follow Finance and Growth Ngozi for you to have more financial growth like this. See you and God bless you. My name is Ngozi, the financial advisor, product manager, and a chartered risk